In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. Before we begin, it's worth mentioning that the source steps shown here appear to point to the Cloudflare 1.1.11 app page and even reference Google Play, which is typically used for Android devices. So if you're specifically trying to set this up on Windows, make sure you're following along with the correct download option for your computer. The overall goal is still the same: getting Cloudflare Warp installed so you can use a faster, more private internet connection. First, open your web browser and go to the official Cloudflare 1.1.11 website. This is the page for Cloudflare's app, which includes Warp. Using the official site is important because it helps you avoid unofficial downloads or outdated installers. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct site before moving forward. Next, on the website, look for the download section. In the recorded steps, the action shown is clicking on Google Play. That option is intended for mobile installation, so if you're on a Windows computer, you should instead choose the Windows download option if it's available on the page. The main idea here is to select the installer that matches your device. This is a good habit anytime you download software, because choosing the wrong platform can lead to confusion or a file that won't run. After that, proceed with the install action. In the original steps, this is shown as clicking install on the App Store page. On Windows, this usually means downloading the installer file and then opening it to begin the setup. Follow the prompts on your screen to allow the installation to complete. Depending on your system settings, Windows may ask for permission before installing the app, which is normal. If that happens, review the prompt and continue. Once installation is finished, you can open Cloudflare Warp and begin the setup process inside the app. In most cases, getting started is simple and only takes a moment. If you don't see the app right away, check your Start menu or desktop for the shortcut. It's also a good idea to make sure your internet connection is active during installation so the app can complete any required setup properly. And that's it. You've gone through the process of accessing the Cloudflare site, choosing the appropriate installation option, and starting the install. If you're following these steps for Windows, just remember to use the Windows version rather than the mobile store option shown in the source material.